Hi, chickens. Coming to see your light. There's the chicken perch. It's heated because it's an LED light. You see the light coming out? I just got a plastic tube, I don't know, water hose for a wash machine, covering it so the light don't bother them so much. But it gets nice and warm. They love sitting on it in the winter. See, we got a couple eggs. Thanks for the eggs, chickens. Good jobs. Good jobs on both of you. Yes, good jobs. Yes, oh, did you want to pick me? That's my egg. Thank you. See you later.